How you
Hey,
doing,
how are
man?
you? Pretty good, man. Thanks for asking. What about
Yeah,
you?
yeah, all good, man, all good. I'm gonna do a quick demo of the system that I have that is going to help you out to do all this kind of stuff on your business, whatever is. It can be e-commerce or what you do that is insurance policies and everything. So I think this will be helping you out to do the followment on your clients. Okay, I'm gonna start doing a quick. I'm gonna show you what it is. Well, this is the main. You can see my screen. Everything right? Okay, right?
Yeah, totally.
Okay. So well, this is the platform, the layout of the platform. I'm gonna be on. This is my clients. I'm gonna be showing you what is on my side and how is it working. So the CRM, which is PlaySpot Sync, is gonna work together with AI automations and all the contacts, the opportunities, the pipelines, the payments. You can set up all the payments that you have for certain products, and you can send all the links straight from here. You're gonna have AI agents. You're gonna have marketing, social planning, forms, surveys, everything in just one place. This is automations. There is sites. You can have your website over here also. If you have a store, you can connect your store. You can connect your client portal. So everything is. I'm gonna do what step by step, but very fast, just for you to know what is inside. Okay.
All right.
So we'll.
So,
Yes. Tell me. You can.
so what you're trying to tell me is that we need to simplify all the workload that I have while I contact all the stakeholders, clients, and all the people who are around my business. Is that correct?
Exactly. You're gonna have everything in just one place. You're gonna have
Okay.
everything connected. You can start even the conversation and all the sales funnels that you have on social media. You can get them straight to your CRM, and you can see on all the in your contact sheet where is all the information. If it's changed from a if you have an automation that is straight from one stage to the other, you can see it there. If one customer send you a link or a message from WhatsApp, and the day after send you an email, and the day after contact you by Facebook Messenger, you're gonna have all those conversations in just one place.
Got it.
Okay, so you're gonna save a lot of money in just paying like ManyChat, Hootsuite, all this kind of stuff that you put for social time, because everything is integrated here. Okay,
All right. Let's
so
take a
this
look at
is
it.
this is this is the main dashboard. This is where all your data is going to be. Opportunity status with all your pipelines. The conversations are going to be here. This is a conversation that I have from I was doing some tests the other day in the with the chat widget, and you're gonna have all the conversations here. So you're gonna have the all the contacts that reach you out from your website on the chat widget. You're gonna have it here, like I said. So if I go to guest visitor GOFBO as a contact, so which is this one, you're gonna have here the conversation. Okay, this is a guest visitor. It's a live chat. You don't have still contact details because I didn't ask it or he didn't put it, but I have it on my chat widget. So I'm gonna show you just right now in the moment. So well, like I said, you're gonna have all your contacts here. If you have a CRM already, and you have like a big database, I can import all your contacts along with your opportunities, which is your entire pipeline. So if you're, let's say that you have like 1 year just working with Hootsuite or Pipedrive or HubSpot. You can export in one sample that I'm going to give you, like a sample template, and then you can export all your contacts and all your pipelines once. Okay, you're not gonna waste time. This the setup that we do with everything that you're gonna give us is going to be like no more than 2 weeks that we're gonna set up everything for you and just to have it up and running.
Okay, sounds good. So as long as I can see that or understand that there's a possibility to export in just one template all the uh, facts and all the profile of my clients. Is that correct?
Exactly. Yes. Yes, you're gonna have everything in just in one time. You're gonna put all your contacts as I told you. Let me just try to find the file just to show you very fast how am I asking it. Mm. So well, this is the migrating contacts and pipelines. You're gonna have this when you sign up. So this is all the instructions that you have to follow, and this is like we have like 10 CRMs that are more, let's say, famous or used: HubSpot, Pipedrive, Soho, Monday, etc. And you download from here the sample file. Yeah. So this is the instructions that you need to follow in, well, depending of the CRM that you already have, there is a special instructions that you need to follow, and then you go to this sample file, and this is how I need all the information, and you're gonna export everything at once.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's cool. Yeah, it's pretty simple, and what I can see is that
Yeah, you just put all
the
the columns and everything, how what you have, and we do it like in one time, and all the
that's a great
opportunities.
job at it.
Yeah, and this is where you can do pipelines. Let's say like you have a sales insurance pipeline, new lead, blah blah blah. I'm gonna just do it fast. You do the you have your pipeline here, and you start to put your opportunities. This is where you're gonna have the data that you send me. Okay. About payments. Another thing, you can do smart lists from all your contacts. There is a way that you can filter all your contacts. If you reach out new customers on November and you put a tag about I don't know, let's say that you contact 10, and out of the 10 you contact 5 that they are interested to call in January. Okay, so you put a tag to call in January, and you do a smart list in January, or do an automation that on January to send a template that you already have, and then the automation is gonna run whatever you need to run. You don't need to do it by yourself because sometimes you forget it. So you can manage these smart lists and do like filtering on the people that you have assigned, created by. You can filter here. You can put the tags on here, like I said, or you can filter by whatever attribution you have on a form. Let's say that they fill a form, and you want to see how many people are that they select this answer. Okay, so I want to know this from this question that they fill out, whatever it give me this answer. Okay, and then you put apply, and then you can see, well, you can see John Mayer put this answer, right? So you can filter out a lot of stuff, and you can manage from your contact list from any kind of data that you want to automate for sending messages, for sending email campaigns, everything. Okay, for sending payments, even links of payments, you can do here payment links. So I have my payments already set up. So you just send the people this link, or you put it on your website or whatever, and they can pay straight from here. You have to link Stripe for that.
So there's a chance to mask the payment method. I mean, what's what are the security protocols in order to make a payment with the credit card?
It's going to be very secure because you have to put yourself first on Stripe. Stripe is a super safe, super secure platform that is going to give you those payment links that you can put. There's more. There's more platforms. I don't think if in we can connect. I think Mercado Pago here in Mexico, but I recommend you to just follow with a Stripe. With Stripe, there is no issue. You can receive money to your bank account in Mexico from Stripe straight.
All right.
So there is like a lot of integrations that you can put. As you can see, Stripe is the one that everybody is using. You can put PayPal, Authorize. There is more for manual payments, Square, and so much more from another places. Razor Pay, whatever. You can just see Admin Pay, which is from AliExpress, I think. So
All
there
right.
is quite a few, but I recommend you just to follow with the Stripe. It's very straightforward to do it.
Good. So
Yeah.
let's take two steps back. You mentioned that if, I want to reach out to customer, and I would like to work not only by opportunities. I
Mm-hmm.
would like to prioritize my work and the task that I must do with my clients. Is that possible to do? It's possible to do that?
Yes, you can put all your tasks here. They're in the same contact. You can put tasks for you or tasks for your team or whatever. And this one you can do recurrently, and you can assign to a certain following method, which can be SMS, WhatsApp, email, whatever you like to do. You just put tasks, go to the CRM, and then you will find everything that you want to do on this specific contact. So this is the place that you can put all the activity. This is all the activity that these people has. This is all
Yeah.
the tasks that you can assign. Call Monday. Call Monday morning. Due time, you can put the due time for morning, 8 a.m. This is a recurring task, repeat every day, assigned to yourself or somebody else. And you can put the contacts that you want to be assigned for this special task and save.
And in this case, if I'm going to make a task and I would like to delegate the workload, is there a chance to
You can put it
create
here.
some temporary credentials to
Yes, of
someone
course.
or
Well,
for an employee?
the person has to be on the same CRM, but also you can assign or you can delegate, as you said, if there is somebody who is not using this CRM, you can do it by email, let's say, or you can do it by sending a SMS or a WhatsApp or whatever.
So, for example, if I create a credential, a temporary credential for someone, uh, I can make that credential expire in the on the next 2 or 3 days. Is
Yes,
that possible? All right,
yes, of
cool,
course, yes. Yeah, yeah,
awesome.
yeah, yeah. Like you can put uh, the the priority on each of the nodes and the tasks that you have here. So here, if you want to change the due time for, let's say, next Friday, you can do it here, and you can put this one away. Select day ends on select date. This is when you need to be sure that this task about this person is gonna end, and somebody has to be assigned for this. Yeah.
Yeah, cool. Thank you.
Yeah, and well, you can do notes even for this specific contact. Here you can put the appointments. As you can see, there was a confirm discovery call. So all the appointments that you have about each of your contacts, you can put it here. Documents. This is very important. You can here put all your files, whatever files that you are assigning, because I know that with you is going there is a lot of back and forth on the documents, right? Like I need this, I need that, I need you to send me this by email or a Google Drive or whatever. You can do for any of them a special folder and then assign the folder for them. Yeah. Payment links, you can have them here. Create invoice, you can create the invoice of your for this specific person. You can add products, and then you will have here payment, everything. You can have it here. One very good thing about this is also the possibility to do documents and templates and contracts automatically. So you can assign on each of your customers. You can do custom fields. In these custom fields, you can put folders, and then you can put certain information that you're going to need about certain products. And at the time that you are doing that with your contacts, you put it here on these steps, like a postal code or whatever. Well, this is very simple, but you can put additional info here that you want to know about your products or whatever. And from this information, you can do templates and contracts or payments or whatever that is just at the time. I'm gonna illustrate very quick with one customer just for you to take a look on something. I have this customer, right? This is one of my clients. I did already this what I'm telling you, just for you to illustrate the example. So if you go here to payments, they already have documents. I put all the data over here. Let's say I want to, this is a solid of credit, right? This is all the data of the client, and you can change here the client. So I want the client, I have all the data of this client, and it fills out automatically. Just assign the information you want to have on your document, and that's it. If I want this for, as you can see, there is like no much data on this person. He didn't fill it out, all of it. But let's use one example who has all of it. So if you go to the primary client, Faustino Gomez, you can see that everything is filled out. Número de crédito, plaza de crédito, payment days, everything. So this is very useful. You don't have to do anything manually. Did you check it out?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm looking at it.
Okay. So, well, another thing very important on this CRM is the social planning. The social planner is already integrated here. So you can do email campaigns. You can do affiliate campaigns, countdown timers, ad managers. The ad manager, you can connect Google for business, Meta, LinkedIn, and all the ads you can run from this CRM too. If you're gonna start organically with your posts, let's say that I want to do a post about, I don't know, whatever, in LinkedIn with my personal AI for 2026. This is the file, and this is the preview of how it's going to be. Follow-up document, click down on this link to have a discount, and then blah 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 blah, play that, no, whatever, choose a category, your tags, post photos as PDF. So here on the post, you can post it right away, or you can do a schedule post, and you can schedule. So I schedule this post. It's going to be for tomorrow, and this is a schedule, and you can do everything for all your social media here. It's already included on here on the CRM too. So if you want to do it very fast and you want to do a lot of content at the same time, you can do it by CSV, which is upload a CSV. So what you can do is go to, I will send you this, and you can ask for, I don't know, ChatGPT, whatever LLM that you want to have. You put the image URLs, the content, when do you want to be here. You can just fill it out, everything at once, and then you will have for 30 days, 60 and 90 is the maximum. So you can have 3 months of content in one time. You just have like a couple hours, and then you will have everything for your social strategy here on this template. So I'm gonna use this one. Let me show you. So this is gonna be on my LinkedIn or in here on these two. You can send to approval. If you have someone who is approving the social media, you can assign it here. If not, well, if it's only for you, you don't send it for approval. And then create. It uploads all the CSV, and there you have it for the next 4 days, straight from the CSV. So it can be very, very fast, and you can do it. You just do it one time on your both of the social media that you choose. Okay, this is a very important thing of inside of the CRM, because it's the marketing. As I said, the ad manager, you can connect your Google account, Meta, LinkedIn, and everything that you have on your campaigns that you are paying the ads. Actually, you can administrate from here. Automations. Well, this is very important too. So if you, I have, like for instance, I have an automation. Whatever is a person who buys me, whatever I receive a payment from this package, okay, I send an email right away. Congratulations, blah, blah, blah. This is your core package onboarding form, and this is changing just depending of the first name. And I need for them to fill out the form that is on this link. So the form is already included. I did it already on the forms that are included on the CRM. So as you can see, everything is connected. So I need the people, once they successfully pay, they will get this email, they will get this form. I will wait, and then after the email, I will wait 2 minutes after the email, and I will send a reminder. Hi, it's Jenny. I work for PlaySpot Sync. I just emailed you the website onboarding form. Please let me know if there is any questions. This is right away that they give me the payment. So I have here my appointments confirmation. here when somebody make an appointment with me. If the status is on any event is confirmed, I send an email of confirmation about the, hey, this is your appointment, this is your Google Calendar, you can put it, thanks for your time, I see you soon. And then I put the confirmation 24 hours before, a reminder email, 1 hour before the appointment, I send another email, another CMS, and all these kind of automations, you can do it here. Funnels, I have these funnels, limited time, so you can do all the funnels are included here. The websites, yeah, this is a website. All the website is connected with all the forms and the survey, the thank you notes or whatever. The stores, you can do email e-commerce here. You can. One very important thing, if you have a domain or you don't have a domain, you can buy it from here. Okay, you can connect WordPress. You can connect your chat widget. I have a chat widget on my webpage, which is this one. Yeah. So this chat widget, I have it connected with a conversational AI bot. So the conversational AI, I did very specific instructions about a knowledge base that I already put up and set up. So the people that go to this widget and want to know anything about my services, if they want to make an appointment with me, they can do it from here. So if they go to PlaySpotMedia.com, PlaySpot Media and PlaySpot Sync are my two web pages. So if they go straight to this, you can see the widget here. So they can start the conversation here on the widget, and from here they can do the PlaySpot. They can do the appointment. So as you can see, this is the services. You can do it from here. This is a survey. So as you can see, everything is connected in one single place. Surveys, you can do all the surveys. You can do a client portal. This is very important because you can have on your specific work, you can have a lot of customers and they want to know what are the invoices of the last week, what are the invoices of the next, what is going to be the date of the next payment or whatever. You can do a client portal, and then you can put all of those straight stuff from each contact or each client, and you can just tell them go to the client portal and you can download it from there. Okay, so that will be pretty much it. There's a lot of things to cover, but I think for the amount of time, I think this will be enough for you to see what is going to be the scope on this. If you have some questions, reporting, very important also. You can do custom reports about the ads, about the Facebook ads that you are running, the appointments report. So this is very useful for when you are managing teams, that it will be maybe in your case with a lot of another colleagues or whatever. Custom reports about whatever kind of report you want to do. From a blank report, you can do templates from the reports on or the new of a certain stuff that you are running, from like seasonal promotions or whatever. So you can do it here. So, well, that will be pretty much it. I don't know if you have some questions, Aldo.
No, not at all. I can see that you have a very good way to follow up all the customers. What I can see is that you can save a lot of time by time management with the schedule and using the calendar synchronized with different applications. And also you can simplify the workload by delegate some tasks and actions directly with some employees and doing it temporarily, right? So in this case, uh, there is another thing that I can see that it's pretty useful, that I can be very active or I can be proactive instead in social media, and also the way that I can follow up all the payments and monitor the the subscriptions with the clients. So,
Yeah.
and I think that it integrates all the values that complete task and management person need to stay in contact with the stakeholders. So I do really appreciate the information. So let's try it.
Yeah, yeah, thank you, man. And I know that this will be game changer in the fact that I know that you sometimes can feel overwhelmed of all the information that you have about certain customer, a certain product that they ask me, or if you want to follow up for a certain meetings and you don't remember, this customer asked me for this or for that, or so it can be very not tricky but overwhelmed. Like I said, all the information that you have of a specific client and the specific things and products that you need to be ahead of that, because you also have seasonal products. I think sometimes you have like promotions or whatever, and this can be very helpful also for all the marketing campaigns, and at the same time that you are doing the exact and the correct follow on each of your client, and you have everything on your funnel very well structured, and you can have all the reporting right away on the data, that it is like not to waste time, right? So, well, Aldo, thank you very much for listening, and whatever you have or any other concern, well, just let me know on my email, or you can just follow my social media and the webpage PlaySpotSync.com. So thank you very
Okay,
much for your time, man.
thank you, and I'm looking forward to try it. All right,
Yeah, thank you so much.
see ya.